Everybody, this is Sarah Marielle. I joined Yana's course last year, mid-November and December. It was for the crash course, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. So I'm giving this testimonial because this course really impacted me. I attended a lot of courses and challenges, but this one, unlike the others, really structured me to where I wanted it to go. So, and I had a lot of direction, but what I truly like with Yana is that she takes you by the hand and guides you, and even if you sometimes don't understand, she would make the time to really explain over and over again. And she really knows what she's doing. She knows her craft. She knows the calling God has for her, and that makes it actually easy to work with the material that she gives us, and then the exercise, the homework. So I'm really encouraging you, if you were hesitant to join one of her crash courses or even the 12-week program or even another course, I would really encourage you to really join and see how your life is transformed and how you become more confident in who God has called you to be in your programs, in whatever the Lord has positioned you. With Yana, you will really get all the steps that you need. Thank you. Bye.